Sabona kunjani sibonile laphana Mafikizolo was booked by Econet for a show in Victoria Falls and kwasokuvela ukukhala kwabantu online ukuthi lingayibhuka kanjani Mafikizolo whilst South Africa has been seen treating Zimbabweans the way they have been. I think sibonile abantu eCape Town balala baze balale benethwa lizulu kwi-consulate laphayana ngemva kokuxoshwa kwabo kulezi ndawo kade behlala kuzo. Isimo sibi umuntu omuhle, isimo asikho sihle yonke indawo, lalo ongalalanga emgwaqweni, the anxiety yokuthi uyafika ku-30 June kumele uphume uhambe ubuyele kwelakini la ozofika khona ungekho umsebenzi uma ngithi impilo ingekho ngendlela le ofisa ngayo. So ukhalaza kwabantu ngicabanga ukuthi ikhona ukwenze iConnect yagcina isusa laphana uMafikizolo, also the poster that has been posted. Now uMafikizolo is affected. They are artists. I don't remember them saying mabahambe, but because they come from a country that is saying mabahambe zonelwa mvunye. Now ngumbuzo engifuna ukushela wona ukuthi kuyophetha ngani. Dallas Buza, I remember recently I did address South Africa ukuthi ezinye zezinto esezisenzakala ugcina usubona ukuthi manje sokushota nehumanity. There was a tourist, a guy who was a tourist who was attacked in Cape Town ezihambela efike ele 2 days ngumuntu obuyelayo. He was attacked, but in the background ukudlula abantu abangabelungu bezidlulela, no one was stopping them. And when I posted that, someone said a tourist evele Zimbabwe, as if Zimbabwe kubi le tourist engasuka iyevakatshela kwamanye amazwe. Ngoba umuntu abanye bethu abase South Africa kumele bazifundise learn, travel, get to understand people. eZimbabwe yebo kubhedile sasuka sabaleka saya kwamanye amazwe, kodwa akusho ukuthi abasekho abantu abaphilayo. Bakhona abantu abaphilayo, bakhona abantu abanamabhizinisi, abanezimali zabo that do travel. I would encourage you to also travel and go to Zimbabwe so you can learn. My concern right now is indaba esokusenzakala ngakhona ama-artists are going to be affected big time. People have also been creating petitions ukuthi the Zimfest le ese-UK bazame ngamandla wonke ukuthi they bengabhukhi ama-South African artists. Now who's getting affected is the artist again. Now esikucelayo ubuntu ngiyayikhuluma ngathi ngiyahleka leyo nto ngoba ebuhlungu. Ubuntu kabo abantu kabangathi benama grievances wabo bese kuphela ubuntu. You understand ukwasho Jacinta at some point ukuthi ubuntu yibo sobenza South Africa yafika la ifika khona. Bukhona ubuntu bokuthi izinto zi-addresswe ngenye indlela abantu bengagcini sebelala estradeni. Akukho kuhle lokhuyana futhi angeke kwavuka kukuhle langaliphilanga. Now iZimbabwe nxa isi-retaliate namanye ama-countries, what happens to us as Africans? Our enemy is rejoicing ukuthi sebesithole lapha sifuna khona, ngoba manje sokusenzakala ukuthi sizoqhwebana sodwa, sizolwa sodwa, while the enemy infiltrates, while the enemy comes through, takes over our mineral resources and many other things. Ithi nje ingahambi kakhulu, kodwa mengithi mina if uhulumeni waseZimbabwe ekubona lokho kwenzakalayo sicela ukuthi athi ukuphakama asukume ancedise la ancedisa khona, ngoba sikubonayo noma ngithi that what we go through, it's not nice. Akukho mnandi at all.
Good morning guys. Honestly speaking, tingatawala zvimwe tingaita sei guys. Ma-South Africans atiskuramba, not everybody is xenophobic and atiskuzviramba izvozvo. But let's look at it this way guys. Kana pakaitika something munyika chiri kuaffecta munhu wese, basa rema-influencers nema-celebrities ndo basa ravo rekutaura nezvezvinhu izvi. Handitika never a day ratakamboona any ma-celebrities South Africa kunze kwe one munhu chete. Somizi ndiye munhu ataiona. Somizi would stand up and talk kuti it's no and it's a wrong what you are doing. I've been using foreigners to work for me, and I've never had any problems. That is Somizi. Only Somizi was talking about this. Majority, the rest of them, these South African celebrities, they've been quiet. Right? When people were being terrorized each and every day, they never said a word. They never even made videos to talk about what was happening in South Africa. Because remember, their voices matters as well. They've been quiet. Now, we have our Zimbabwean companies going to South Africa and hire them to bring them in Zimbabwe to perform to people. Which people are they going to perform for? Are we rewarding them for being xenophobic? Are we rewarding them for having our women and children vachirohwa nemvura kupurwa nemvura vakamira vachidzingwa mudzimba vari kuembassy? We all have seen the video of our own people vachirohwa nemvura, and it was said yesterday vachirohwa nemvura vakabereka vana vakanyorova kuchitonhora kuCape Town uko vasina pekuhwanda vari paconsulate handika vachimirira help kuti vangabatsirwawo sei vachidzingwa kudzimba. They can't be back in the society because vakamirirwa kuti vakodzwe musociety. They've been quiet. Then our own Zimbabwean Econet company, a big company like Econet, you guys have got the guards. Wrong timing, guys. This is wrong timing. Yekuunza vanhu ava munyika kuti vauye munyika vauye kuzoimba. Vari kuimbirani? Vari kuimbira vanonhuhwa hapwa. Vari kuimbira makwerekwere. Because it's now no longer a case of people who are not documented. They are saying that numbers, and we've got many people, many Zimbabweans very documented. Many of them very documented. It's no longer a case of people that are not documented. It's a case of every foreigner now to be chased away from South Africa. And what do? We go and hire them. Why can't you give to the people that are coming from South Africa to Tangira? Why can't you take that money? $100 chechayo kuti madzuka kumba muri vapenyu. Vana vari kuya kumba vasina chinu. Vana vari kuya kumba vasina kana pekutangira vane mabhegi ehembe. Some have been in South Africa for 10 years, 15 years. And vakabuild a life ikoko, vakatenga properties. They were forced to leave them properties iwayo and to come back home empty-handed. Makutsara futi mari modzisa South Africa muri kumbonyengerera chi? Chicha muri kumbonyengerera ngambokubvunza Econet Zimbabwe. What is your problem? This is wrong timing. This is wrong timing. You could have, right now cancel the show. Or take Zimbabwean artist. Perform ipapo. Maybe when the dust settles, kapita kunza vafikizolo, yenyu mozonza vafikizolo. As it is, tinana Japraiser, tinana Wingy D, tinana Freeman, vana Killer T, tine vana vadiki vana vari kutokura chako chaiko, vana Hulengenta, antika, tine vakawanda vana Junior Spraga, vari kutoda help. Hire them, let them perform by events iwayo. Mafikizolo, it's a no. We cannot have them in our country. Panguya kadai so. Vamwe vedu vari kubatwa semuka. Vamwe vedu vari kutonga vasina kukwana. Tikunyadziswa pasi rese. Ende mova reward nekuvatora. Hakuna South Africa nafa kupinda Zimbabwe, guys. Guys dzangu hakuna South Africa nafa kuzopa Zimbabwe. Kuzotora mari yenyika yedu yekuZimbabwe yatisina achinda nayo. No. If they can have a voice antika munyika mavo about their own country, we can also have a voice about our own country. As much as they are fixing their own country, we have accepted defeat. Tavuma. We also want to fix our own country, right? Let them come back home. And let them help us build our own country. Simple. We don't want anyone to interrupt us right now. What is kuda? Kana vamnanga gochevo chaivo na vatagure vasvika pakusimuka vakasitumira mabhazi yose wayo kuti atakure vanhu auye. Imimi moenda kunotora mafikizolo kuti iuye. Come on, guys. If chatove chikumbira even kwamuri government yeZimbabwe, wrong timing. Tikasimuka tikataura chokwadi kuti hazviiti izvi. Handika munotirova. Anditi takukumbira kuti mutendere titaure. This is wrong. Pindirai apa mafikizolo must not come to Zimbabwe. Zondwa vavantu must not come to Zimbabwe right now. We are busy trying to accept Yamwe vedu, trying to make our people, be comfortable back in their own country. Tukuchaka nzvimbo dzevana vakabva South Africa kwa vari kudzingwa, vari kubva from grade 6 kwa vanga vari kwachitiswa grade 2. And it's because of a difference in education level. Then to bota zvamwe vanhu vari kuuya. Zimbabweans, let's come together. Let's unite. Tinazo zvimwe zvasongana already zvikutanzi muri kutaura chi vakazodai vakazoya vasiri vane mhosva chakazodai. So ma celebrities takambovaona naye vachitaura. Our Zimbabwean celebrities, we must learn from this. So kuti panoitika ma issues akawanda wanda and you keep quiet ikoko momirigwa naKetina imi makanyarara. Hatina mbokuona ma celebrities ekuZimbabwe panoitika ma issues mamwe mchisumuka mchitaura. Handika vanaKetina vacho vanenge mchiti mapenzi isusu vanhu vanenge mchituka every day ndo vakusimuka chikumirirai. handitika ndakaona ketsera chimirira blood kusvika zvinhu zvaenda. Come on, guys. It's a high time you stand up also and address these issues. You are Zim celebrities. Hantika, hamusi pa celebrities kutukupei mari kana maita shows. Kana paita ma issues that are discussed. Stand up and discuss about these things. Hantika, kwete kungoramba makanyarara. Atina artists watiri kudai anobva kune mwenyika. Our own Zim artists to perform that function yoyo. Guys, this mafikizo, it's a no. Econet, you can do better. You are a big company. On this one, might a wrong time, my people. Chinjai, cancelai, swap mutoreve kwedu, and then you start from there. Thank you.